Batman managed to catch the Joker and was finally able to admit him to the Gotham City asylum. Gordon and the rest of the sheriffs were waiting for them outside.
Joker, what's wrong with you?
It's alright, Bat. You got me handcuffed. What could happen?
What is this?
It's my laughing gas. Where's your bats? If you inhale it, you won't be able to stop laughing. See you later, Batman. Don't die laughing.
It was all a trap.
Honey, I'm here to help you.
How did you get your riddle stuff?
It's a riddle, Batman.
Batman, if it's obverse, I kill you. If it comes out reverse, I help you. Seems to be your lucky day.
I didn't expect you to arrive so quickly, Bat. But it's so late. Goodbye, Bat.
Surrender, Joker. There is no gas in the prison anymore. The guards will arrest the prisoners and the police reinforcements are on their way.
With my fear gas, this wouldn't have happened.